name is Matt Bartelme, and I'm the CEO at Bart's Tree Service out here in Danbury, Connecticut. We've got 11 people out on the road with 3 different chippers, going through all kinds of what we call Tornado Alley now here in Danbury, Connecticut. So I'm getting a lot of use out of them as of late. Want to talk a little bit about what Morbark is offering, which are these kitting of our consumable products that we use for these chippers and have to order all the time, which I think is a great idea, because I know for myself I got to go look up what the VIN number of the machine is, or the serial number of the machine, then go back and make sure I'm getting all the right filters, or look in the owner's manual. Or now I can go and I get one complete maintenance kit that comes with everything I need specific to my machine. So it's all there, and we're not trying to do service on something and all of a sudden we're missing something or got the wrong component that comes with it. So the beautiful thing is, the more you're kitting things together and packaging them up together, you get a discount that comes with it. So it's really a no-brainer. And for us, we like to keep these on the shelf, so we're not even ordering. We always have one set of everything, so at any time we need to get into PM cycle on a machine, or if there's an issue with the machine, I have everything in the shop, and it's literally just grab this one box which is labeled specifically for what I have and pull it out, and we have everything we need. It works great. The other thing I want to talk about is the new SharpEdge blades that they have, which I think are really awesome and working well. And as we all know, as business owners, we want uptime on these machines, so any downtime costs us a ton of money. And it could be something as simple as where either we're doing sharpening on blades or having to switch out our blades. That's still cycle time that we're down, and we want to minimize that. Again, they put together this kit that's now coming with the bolts, and I mean, I'll speak honestly for ourselves, we've overused bolts where you're only supposed to use the one new set of bolts per. You can overstretch and overcycle these bolts. They're going to get hairline fractures in them, so you want to change them out every time you put blades on them. And I have seen on 2 occasions over all my years where all of a sudden you go in to look and the head of a bolt completely snapped off. So now you're sending this, 3/4 inch piece of steel right through your chipper. Luckily nothing happened on those occasions for us, but it was strictly because we cycled too many torque cycles on those bolts, putting them in. And again, I keep these, or 2 of these, on the shelf at all times, so we can cycle through as we're changing out the blades and get everything going for these units. And it really works great for us, and keeps all the guesswork out of trying to keep track of all the different equipment I have and what I need to put in these things to keep them up and running at all times.